Hi, I'm Rochelle.
And I'm Diane. We're sales counselors at UnionMain Homes at Hills at Legacy in Prosper, Texas. Prosper is all that Dallas is.
The Hills at Legacy features A-rated Prosper ISD schools. There's no PED, no MUT tax. We also have 2 beautiful community pools, 6.7 acres of lake, open space, walking and bike trails, playgrounds, and much, much more. We also have the elementary and middle school within the neighborhood.
UnionMain offers 5 beautiful floor plans, 2 stories and single-story homes. Our homes have media rooms and most have 3-car garages, all on a minimum of 65-foot lots that are large enough for a pool. Beautiful exteriors, open floor plans for entertainment. This model features a gourmet kitchen with well-appointed appliances, a sliding door to your covered patio for your outdoor entertainment with friends and family, fireplaces to snuggle by on those cold winter days, and a spa master bathroom on the days that you just need to relax and rest. Security systems are included with an Alexa show, a video doorbell, and much more.
We have so many other features here at the Hills of Legacy that we'd love to show you.
Hope to see you soon.